Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to prevent any contact with battery acid. Taking these initial steps will ensure a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically black and marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, which is red and marked with a plus sign. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good electrical contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated properly. Secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp to prevent any shifting while driving. Now, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both securely. You're almost done. Before closing the hood, double-check that both the positive and negative terminal connections are tight and secure. A loose connection can cause starting issues. Consider applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals to prevent future buildup. Finally, start your Nissan Rogue to confirm everything is working perfectly. Remember to take your old battery to a certified recycling center for proper disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.